What is going on, everyone? We are back here. It's the next day and a busy day at that. I unfortunately left my GoPro home and I forgot, but we picked up these LY6 piston and rods today, or excuse me, not LY6, LQ9 piston and rods. They're a little schmutzy, but it's all right. Got a little bit of wear, but nothing too crazy. So that's what we're gonna be running, as well as we picked up our LQ9 crank. So this is gonna have this shorter diameter here, so this won't stick out. It'll only just be the cap sticking out, unlike this. So that is huge, guys. So we got that. That's good. This engine is about to get moved here soon. We're gonna start tearing that down because we've officially got our old engine gone. The guy came by today and picked it up. All I have left to do is sort out the harness and kind of split where mine go, or what harnesses I'm keeping and giving to him. And then I got to get my shifter out and my ECU, which is underneath the carpet over there. So we'll be doing that here shortly, guys. But what was I gonna say? But yeah, so we're gonna start tearing down that engine. We'll probably be doing that in the next video, or maybe this video, we'll see. But we need to get this harness first and get this guy the rest of his stuff. He already paid me for everything, so I need to get him all his stuff, and then we'll be good to go, guys. So stay tuned. What is going on, guys? We're back here, another day. So I'm all wrapped up here. It's pretty freaking cold in my garage, but I'm not really trying to turn on the salamander right now. Honestly, because I'm not getting on the ground, or I shouldn't be. If I do, then I will. But today we're just gonna be quickly pulling out the harness like we spoke about in the last video, so we can get that to the guy that bought the engine, and then the shifter. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get that running, try to speed that up. So I'm pretty much just gonna be unlooming wire, kind of splitting the body harness from the body harness from the actual old engine harness, and then from there just unbolt the shifter and take the shifter out, and then I'll call the guy up and give it to him. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to get that going right now. What is up, guys? All right, so in the process of digging through the harness, kind of started to split up here. Like, these are all body harness related, and then these right here, these are also body harness related. These are from my wiper motor. So the rest of these, even these clipped off ones here, I'll go to the main harness that runs up there to the ECU. And I found the ECU, but small problem is the dash has to come out. So it was unexpected. So we're gonna bypass that for right now. We're gonna work on the shifter first. Main reason for that is because I don't have the right Torx bit for that currently. So actually I might have one, but either way the shifter should be quite a bit easier, so we're gonna go for that first, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted on that. It's pretty dark in here, not super dark, but so I'm not 100% sure because I've not ever removed one of these before. I'm going to assume that these 4 bolts, well 3, we'll take off this main plate, and then there's probably something holding the base down. I mean, it doesn't look like it's too tight in here, so we're gonna attempt that, and we'll check right back with you guys. All right, guys, so I got the shifter out. It wasn't too bad. So I did have those screws that were on top of the plate. Once I got that out, I was able to expose the actual shifter mechanism. So when this was installed, these bolts were welded still, but on the bottom of the shifter was sticking out of the bottom of the truck. So I was able to just break these nuts loose on the bottom and remove it that way. So that was pretty simple. Once I got that, I just had to detach the bracket system for mounting onto the trans so that I could fit the shifter cable up and out through the floorboard. So it was pretty simple, not too bad. I did find that extra Torx bit that I needed to be able to do the dash. So I probably won't be able to finish tonight because it's already kind of late, but I am definitely going to get started on the dash, trying to get that out. Underneath there's a lot of wires kind of everywhere. I don't really know what goes to what. So it's going to take me some time to really figure out exactly what I need to do, what I need to give, and what I need to keep. So stay tuned, guys. I'm just going to very quickly button this up, kind of make this look presentable, and then we'll jump back in the truck to get the dash out. Alright, guys, so shifter is loosely buttoned back up. Put this back to where I had marked it. Again, this is going to a different car. These trans shifters are a little weird, so he's gonna have to reset this up for whatever he's putting it in. But so I left everything kind of loose, let him figure that out. But that's out of the way, guys. So we're gonna be going in here. Set up my light bar thing up here. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm about to just time lapse this because I've never done this before, and I'm honestly not even really sure exactly how all this comes out. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna do this hopefully as quickly as possible, try to get everything done, or at least get this dash out by tonight. I already got this instrument panel out. That's gonna just, honestly, probably gonna end up selling that because I'm not gonna have any need for it. So just put it there for now. And yeah, guys, so like I said, just stay tuned. We're gonna get that going right here. We're gonna get that going right now. What is going on, guys? We're back here. It's the next day. So last night I was working, obviously I'm getting the dashboard out. I had my GoPro die. There was a lot of miscellaneous stuff going on, so I didn't even bother swapping out the battery. It was already getting late. I didn't get out of this garage till about 4 a.m. Excuse me. But we got the dash out. So we're currently separating wiring, right? And I got that harness, those harnesses over there, down there. Those are for the 350 swap. Everything over here should be mine. I do have wiring for gauges and stuff like that I'll probably just honestly end up tearing out, probably just selling with the gauges. I'm gonna sell those. So I did just get the block off the where the fuse box is. As you can see, that's a little schmutzy in there. I noticed that something was wrong. I mean, look at these connectors, are pretty crispy. It looked like there might have, I don't even know. I don't know what was going on, but pretty much it's either this was like doing bad things, or at one point did bad things. It doesn't smell like electrical fire, which is fine. I'm honestly not really sure what's going on or what was going on here, but whatever it was wasn't good. So from here, I just got to separate the prongs for my harness and this harness, which I think honestly, if I just cut from, I mean, all these wires have been spliced together at some point in here. So if I just cut out some of these wires, leave all of my stuff in here. These have wraps, so these are probably just wrapped together. Yeah, so once I get all that out, then should be good. So just stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the camera down for this one. It's honestly just pulling out wires and seeing what's still attached to things on the truck and what isn't. I mean that in the sense of obviously like things that are mine, like this blower motor wire. This is a power cable of something. There was something there, but either way. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned. We'll be right back with you guys once I get it out. What's up, guys? How's it going? It is the next day here. So we did end up getting the harness out and everything like that. Got it fully routed out of behind the dash and out of the truck completely. So we have it just sitting right here. I have all that. That's getting ready to go to the guy here this weekend. I'll go into that a little bit more detail on the next video. So just for the sake of not making this video super long, because I did record some stuff afterwards and started working on a little bit more stuff just in regards to the 6.0. We're just gonna clip this one here and call it. But the next video, we are definitely going to start tearing down into the 6.0 and getting that going. And like I said, I'll go in a little bit more detail as far as the harness removal and what it took and everything like that. But yeah, guys, so that was gonna be it for tonight. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for all the love and support, all the likes, all the subs, or thumbs ups and subs. I really, really do appreciate it, guys. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and you know, I finally just said I'm just gonna take that step and get it done, get things started. So I really do appreciate all the love and support from everyone tuning in, whether it's people I know or new people that we're meeting here on the channel. So with that being said, guys, just remember, if anyone ever asks you why you do what you do, you let them know it's just because. And I'll catch you guys next time.